PCI requirement 10.6.2 says, systems are configured to the correct and consistent time as follows. One or more designated time servers are in use. Only the designated central time servers receive time from external sources. Time received from external sources is based on International Atomic Time or Coordinated Universal Time. The designated time servers accept time updates only from specific industry-accepted external sources. When there is more than one designated time server, the time servers peer with one another to keep accurate time. Internal systems receive time information only from designated central time servers. So there are a lot of components to this requirement, but let's break them down into a few key concepts. So one is that there are designated time servers in the environment. So whether you have 5 system components or you have 5,000 system components, you need to designate your internal time servers. And they need to be internal. They need to be controlled by the organization. Those designated internal time servers, which you see mentioned multiple times in this requirement statement, they are the only components that can receive time from an external time source. The requirement goes further to tell us some things about those external time sources. And one is that they have to be receiving time updates based on International Atomic Time or Coordinated Universal Time. And also they have to be industry-accepted external sources. So Bob's NTP server is probably not the best choice, but a government-based or industry-standard vendor-based time server is acceptable. Finally, it restates all of the internal time servers have to peer with each other and receive time only from those trusted external time servers. And then all of the internal devices must only get their time from the internal designated time servers. So following all this is a way to ensure that your time ecosystem is isolated from the external ecosystem. So if for some reason the internet time servers in general were to not agree with each other, your internal systems would still be time consistent, and thus your log files, which you might need to analyze in the event of that strange internet-based time chaos, they will have internal time consistency, and you'll be able to follow them through from one point to another in your infrastructure.